In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Forms in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're on the main dashboard of the account where you want to set this up. Once you're inside the platform, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find the main navigation for your account settings and connected tools. From that left side menu, click on Settings. This is the area where Gohighlevel stores your account configurations, business details, and external app connections. If you've never been here before, don't worry. Everything you need for this setup is grouped in one place, so it's fairly straightforward once you know where to look. After the settings page opens, move over to the right-hand side and click on Integrations. This section is specifically designed for connecting third-party apps and services to your Gohighlevel account. Since Google Forms is an external Google service, this is the correct place to manage that connection. Once you're in the integrations area, look through the available options until you find Google Forms. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct integration, especially if you have several Google-related tools listed. Finding the right one now helps avoid confusion later. When you locate Google Forms, click Connect. This will begin the authorization process and allow Gohighlevel to link with your Google account. Depending on your setup, a new window or pop-up may appear. If that happens, make sure your browser allows pop-ups so the connection flow can continue without interruption. Next, select the Google account you want to use for the integration. Be sure to choose the account that actually owns or manages the Google Forms you plan to work with. This is important because connecting the wrong account can prevent you from accessing the correct forms later on. If prompted, sign into your Google account using your email address and password. For security, always enter your login information directly into the official Google sign-in page and never share those credentials with anyone. If you're already signed in, you may simply need to confirm the account instead. After that, just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Google may ask you to review permissions before allowing the connection. Read through those carefully, then approve the access if everything looks correct. Once the prompts are complete, your Google Forms integration should be connected inside Gohighlevel. And that's it. You've successfully linked Google Forms to Gohighlevel, making it easier to streamline your form data and workflow inside one platform.